Assalamu alaikum. Today is my fourth day and today I have learned a lot of different techniques. So these techniques I will share with you. Before I shared, I want to say something which I learned from the last 3 days. First day I have learned the alphabets and letters. Second day I have learned about paragraph mistake, and third day I have learned to note down my mistakes. And on the third day, in that video I have learned that I have to take a notebook, note paper, where if I make any kind of mistake in this paper, I have to in that paper I have to write down in that paper. So this is the paper, and I have already written which I had mistake. So in the last three videos I have mistake I had in the last three videos I have done a lot of mistakes. Like, first of all, I have main my main mistake was grammatical mistake. I use present and past tense mixed. I use both present and past tense. Saying one sentence twice, I always repeat one sentence. Then I said in the last video I said mistake. I said video. There I have to say it about mistake. Then I was trying to speak fast, where I can. Today I am trying to speaking so much fast, but I have to speak slowly. Also sentence structure I have mistake, and this kind of problem I have mistake. Also I use this kind of mistake I have written on my paper. So hopefully I will be focused today to not doing this mistake. Okay, today is my fourth day, and before I start I want to share one more thing, that I said that I will this is a 30-day challenge and I have to make the 30 videos every day. But there was a problem happened which happened with me, that I cannot make this video regularly. Last day Friday I cannot make any kind of video. Saturday I was also not able to make video. So this is so much difficult to be continuous. So we have to be continuous, we have to be focused to our goal. So today I have learned a lot of different techniques which I written on my paper, and I want to share with you. And also I have learned, and I will definitely follow this kind of techniques. Today I learned first technique was sticky notes. I have to use sticky notes, like I have to use one or two paper, three paper, like this, which will be different colors, like blue, yellow, orange, different kind of colors. So I have to write down on the color. Okay, today's first technique was sticky notes. I have to use sticky notes. There I can write like I can write a lot of things, like if no one is besides us, we have to create an environment there where we can practice English. So in our home there we can find any friend or any of family member who, if they are not comfortable with us to speak English, then we have to find another source, and this is the source we have to apply. Like I have to uh, use sticky notes, and in this sticky notes I have to write, like besides us, which table and chair. In our beside us there is a lot of materials, like table, chair, and a lot of kitchen, room, bathroom, washroom, etc, etc. So we have to use those sticky notes and write that in the kitchen. In the sticky notes we have to write kitchen, and we have to stack it on the kitchen. And when we will go to the kitchen, that time we have to make 3 or 4 sentence about kitchen. We have to write table in this sticky note, and that notes we have to stack on our table. And when we see that sticky notes, we have to make 3 or 4 sentences. By doing this we can learn a lot of sentence. If we don't do this, if we don't make any kind of sentence, if we are not able to doing grammatical right, then we have to Google it, and minimum we have to make 5 sentences. And this is the first technique I have learned today. And then my second technique was dictionary. We have to create our own dictionary. I have already downloaded the dictionary link which I get from that person. I already downloaded it. So we have to, if we get any kind of new word, then we have to write in our dictionary. And then we can easily see this word meaning and vocabulary. We can learn a lot of vocabulary by writing this, because if we don't write it, we can't memorize it. We have to write it in a dictionary. Then my third technique was 6 hours and 6 sentences. It was a nice technique I have learned today, that we have to divide it our day in two parts. Like 12 hours, we have to divide it in two parts, 6 hours each. And we have to, after 6 hours, we have to make 6 sentences. Like what we did in last 6 sentences, we have to say. In the last 6 sentences, we have to say in 6 sentences. Like right now it's 4 p.m. So what we did in the last 6 hours. Right now I'm trying to say that today I wake up early in the morning, and then I learned, I'm reading English books, and I read a lot of books. Then I have learned, I bath myself, I was doing a lot of work. Like we have to say 6 or 7 sentence. If we don't say, we have to write it. We have to doing this like this. And the fourth techniques I have learned, which is change your attitude. Change your attitude. We have to change our attitude, that we have to do it. Like today is my 4th day running, and previous 2 day I can't make any kind of video. And so we have to make every day, and we have to change our attitude. If everyone was criticizing us, no problem, because I am developing myself. So we have to do it. So that's the fourth technique I have learned today. Okay, so these 4 techniques I have learned today, and definitely I will practice these 4 techniques. I will definitely use sticky notes, and already I create my own dictionary where I will write my vocabulary list. And I didn't practice 6 hours 6 sentence, and but I will definitely try to practice. And the fourth one is change your attitude of that. That's mean I have to uh, definitely make every day every video, and I have to think differently. Okay, this is the end of today's learning. But what I make mistake, like in the last 3 or 4 days, I think today also I make some grammatical mistake. So I find think that if I have to do right grammar, if I have to correct in grammar, then I have to correct in tense. So one of my brother, whose name was Asif, he told me, he gave me some idea about my grammar solution. I have to learn like every tense continuously I have to say. So I am right now I am trying to saying this. In this statement I have to say Bangla, but I have to memorize this. So there every tense was here. Like 12 tense we have learned in English. 12 tense, every tense was here. First, so now I am going to read this. আমি যাই, I go. আমি যাইতেছি, I am going. আমি গিয়েছি, I have gone. It will be used so many times and lots of time. Then আমি যাইতেছি, I have been going. Then আমি গিয়েছিলাম, I went. আমি যাইতেছিলাম, I was going. আমি গিয়েছিলাম, I had gone. আমি যাইতেছিলাম, I had been going. আমি যাব, I will go. আমি যেতে থাকবো, I will be going. আমি গিয়ে থাকবো, I will have gone. And the last one is আমি যেতে থাকবো, I will have been going. Actually I was not using those perfect continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense, like I have been going, I have gone, I had gone. I directly use I learned. I have to use perfect tense here, had and have, like auxiliary verb I have to use. This kind of mistake I find in my last 3 videos. And I have to practice this. I have to recorrect this. I have to practice this more and more, so that I cannot make this kind of fault again, mistake again. So this is the end for today, and inshallah tomorrow I will try to make another video, which will be my day 5, and I will practice this 4 day which I learned. I am going to practice every day new things. And thank you very much for seeing this video. Allah Hafiz.